In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Netmirror app on iPhone. To get started, unlock your iPhone and look for the blue App Store icon. It has a white stylized A on it. Tap that icon to open the App Store. If you don't see it right away, swipe left or right on your home screen until you find it. Once you are in the App Store, head to the Search tab located at the bottom right of the screen. Tap Search. Then place your cursor in the search bar at the top. Type the word Netmirror carefully, making sure the spelling is correct, and then tap the search button on your keyboard to run the search. You'll now see a list of results. Look for the official app in the list, such as Netmirror, Movies, and Shows box. Tap the app's name or icon to open its app page. On this page, you can confirm you've got the right one by checking the icon, reading the description, and looking at the screenshots and ratings. This is a good way to avoid installing something that looks similar but isn't the official app when you are ready. On some devices, it may show a cloud icon with a downward arrow if you've downloaded it before. But tapping it works the same way. After you tap Get, your iPhone will ask you to authorize the download. Follow the prompt by double-clicking the side button and then use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm. If you are using Face ID, hold your phone so it can see your face. If you use Touch ID, gently rest your finger on the home button until it registers. You will see a progress circle indicating the download and installation. This may take a moment depending on your internet connection. It's best to stay connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, or ensure you have a strong cellular signal so the download completes smoothly. Once the installation finishes, the Get button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch Netmirror right away. If you prefer to start it later, return to your home screen and look for the new app icon. If you have many apps, you can also find it in your app library by swiping past your last home screen and typing Netmirror in the search field there. That's it. Thanks for watching.